Before I jump into the video, please subscribe our channel. We daily upload videos about home remedies, health foods, weight loss and fat burning methods. High blood pressure is otherwise known as hypertension, and it means that your artery walls bear abnormal pressure. Over time, hypertension weakens blood vessels and can lead to heart disease, kidney disease, stroke, and other issues. It can also go undetected for years because there are no symptoms prior to the onset of another disease. It is very important to have your blood pressure checked on a regular basis. Certain risk factors for high blood pressure are uncontrollable, such as family history, race, gender, and age. But diet and exercise also play a huge part, and that is something you can control. Generally speaking, to reduce blood pressure through diet, stick to foods that are high in potassium, magnesium, and fiber, but lower in sodium. Read on for lots of great mealtime suggestions. 1. Leafy greens. Sodium is a major culprit when it comes to elevated blood pressure. Potassium can assist your kidneys to eliminate more sodium through urine, which in turn reduces the effects of hypertension. Leafy greens are a fantastic source of this critical nutrient, especially romaine lettuce, arugula, turnip greens, spinach, kale, collard greens, beet greens, and Swiss chard. If you're not a fan of the green stuff, bananas are also potassium-rich. Try blending a banana with some greens and any kind of nut milk for a more palatable way to get the potassium you need. 2. Berries. Many types of berry, especially the humble blueberry, are full of healthy compounds called flavonoids. Getting enough flavonoids in your diet has been linked to preventing hypertension and lowering blood pressure in people who already suffer from it. Flavonoids also deliver a whole host of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits to the body, so you really can't go wrong, unless, of course, you happen to be allergic. These tasty fruits are easy to add to your diet, sprinkled over cereal or a salad, or plain by the handful. 3. Red beets. The reason that beets are a great part of a hypertension diet is that they contain a large amount of nitric oxide, which helps to open up blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Studies have shown that consuming beetroot juice lowers blood pressure within just 24 hours. Beets do have a very distinctive flavor that people seem to either love or hate, and if you are in the latter category, you'll be happy to know that peeling and roasting beets removes a lot of the earthy taste. Some creative ways of using roasted beets include cookie dough and hummus. 4. Skim milk and yogurt. Calcium, found in abundance in milk and yogurt, plays a vital role in the constriction and relaxation of blood vessels and therefore may help to reduce blood pressure. Calcium is also essential in the contraction and relaxation of muscles. As reported by the American Heart Association, women who eat 5 or more servings of yogurt per week have a 20% lower chance of developing high blood pressure at all. Skim milk and yogurt are recommended sources of calcium because they are also low in fat, but beware of the sugar content in yogurt. If you are not a fan of dairy or find it troubles you in other ways, non-dairy sources of calcium include seafood, leafy greens, legumes, dried fruit, tofu, and seeds. 5. Oatmeal. A diet rich in fiber and whole grains can have a beneficial effect on blood pressure. Oatmeal has both. In just 100 grams of oatmeal, you'll get 10 grams of fiber, 352 milligrams of calcium, and 359 grams of potassium. That makes it one of the best breakfasts you can have if you're trying to reduce your blood pressure. It is also low fat and low sodium and delivers plenty of slow-burning carbs to fuel your day. Add some fruit or nuts for an extra health boost. 6. Bananas. We mentioned that potassium is crucial in lowering blood pressure because it helps to get rid of excess sodium. It's important to note that eating foods that are rich in potassium is better for your body than taking a supplement. Bananas are one of the best food sources of potassium, and they also contain healthy protein, fiber, magnesium, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. Amplify your healthy blood pressure breakfast by slicing a banana onto that oatmeal. 7. Garlic and herbs. Like beetroot, garlic contains nitric oxide that helps promote the widening of the arteries, otherwise known as vasodilatation. This can bring down blood pressure, and make food more flavorful to boot. Certain herbs are known to benefit hypertension as well. Basil, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, and celery seed are all great examples. Introducing more herbs and spices into your diet can also help to reduce the amount of sodium you need to enjoy meals. Did you like this video? Please subscribe our channel and push like button for further updates.